Hey, what's up, everybody? It's News Now, Ohio. Okay, guys, so real quick video. Been arguing with this idiot called Send in the Clowns over gradient. Air pressure gradient, gas pressure gradient. The guy's confused. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's trying to act like he's trying to tell me how, I don't know what I'm talking about, that there's gradients in every pressurized container, that I don't know what I'm talking about. He's trying to run down how gravity will give it a gradient. Look, okay, I conceded that there is such a minuscule amount of gradient in a pressurized container due to gravity that once it's in a gravitational field, that it's so small that it's ignored. Okay, so considering that we're talking about, and he knows this, and he's just a I think he's a flat earther that's posing as a globe earther to just start shit. But since, because this is the only conclusion I can come to. Anyway, he has got some serious Dunning-Kruger going on. He thinks he understands gas pressure, and he obviously doesn't. He's mixing up gas and atmospheric pressure. Yes, there is a gradient in our atmosphere from 14.7 psi from the ground to almost zero at the Kármán line, the edge of space. That is why we do have a loss of some gases into space. It's just a slow process of loss because the pressures are almost equal. So it's not a big rush into the emptiness of space because the pressure difference isn't significant enough to do that. But now in a pressurized container, say a propane tank, it doesn't have a gradient. The pressure is equal. Second law of thermodynamics, it says that the molecules in the container bounce off the walls of the container equally. The pressure inside of a fucking container will equalize. Period. He's like, well, what if we turn it over on its side? It'll still pressurize. What do you think, that they just go up? Look, dude, pressure is a force. Pressure has a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity. Okay? Like I gave you the example of a butterfly flapping its wings. It is countering the force of gravity that's on it because its mass is so small that gravity doesn't have a large effect on it. Gravity is based on mass, okay? Force equals F equals ma, dude. Get it right. Learn what you're talking about because you're an idiot. Okay? Ding. So, anyway, as I was saying, pressure has a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity, clown. Pressure acts in all directions, not just up. You try to use the butterfly has a vector and it's up because when he flaps his wings. Yep, you're right. Well, guess, dude, pressure acts in all directions. The molecules in a container bounce off the walls of its container equally. That's why when we deal with pressure, we deal in per square inch, dude. It is the pressure that those molecules are exerting on the walls of its container everywhere. Per square inch, clown. Learn how to do science, buddy. You want to compare me to that dude, that guy, that flat earther. Buddy, obviously you are. You have an issue that you don't know how to settle because you think I'm telling you, that gravity is negated. That's not what I meant. Yep, maybe I worded that wrong, but I rephrased that and said it's counteracted by the pressure. Just like the butterfly flapping its wings counters the weight of gravity pushing down on it by flapping its wings and going up. That's what it's doing. It's counteracting the force of gravity. That's what is inside that container. Those molecules of gas are counteracting the force of gravity. Gravity, young man, is the weakest of all the forces. Maybe you should go back to physics school and learn that. I'm sorry that you just think that gravity is this miracle thing that just, sticks everything to the earth like glue, obviously, because that's how you're making it sound, and it's not right. Okay? So now, I sent you a message that's going to be my last message to you because you're a fucking idiot. And I'm not going to continue arguing with some dude who doesn't even understand the basics of pressure. You got atmospheric and you have gas pressure, and you're mixing the two up. I'm sorry, that's your problem, that's not mine. Okay, so I'm done arguing with you, dude. Quit texting me about it because I'm not going to text you back no more. My last text was my last text. I explained exactly what pressure is to you. If you can't grasp that concept, that's your problem, sending the clowns. Not mine, buddy. Okay? So, like I said, pressure isn't a vector quantity, it's a scalar quantity. And pressure acts in all directions. Up, down, side to side, diagonally, however you want to fucking put it. But it acts in all directions equally. Equally. Got it? Goodbye. Leave me alone. When you're ready you want to debate me? You. It'll be pretty stupid considering you're trying to act like you're a globe earther and I am a globe earther. So, but if you want to debate me on pressure, gas pressure and shit, feel free, buddy, because I will blow you away, dude. You don't even understand a basic concept of what pressure is. So, the best thing you can do is just leave me alone and go read a book on pressure. Have a good day. Bye-bye.